Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sport, stock reference number 5414. This sheet runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 3rd month 2015. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.